The Galactic Misadventure of Zaphod and the Quantum Toothbrush. Zaphod Beeblebrox, having exhausted the list of galaxies to gallivant, planets to party on, and cosmic cocktails to consume, found himself meandering through the lesser-known corridors of the universe, itching for a new misadventure. Unbeknownst to him, his next escapade would involve not a daring space chase or a diplomatic debacle, but something much smaller and yet infinitely more complex. A quantum toothbrush. The toothbrush, created by a bored yet remarkably eccentric quantum physicist named Dr. Quarkle, was supposed to revolutionize oral hygiene. It was said to clean not just the teeth you had now, but all the teeth you ever had, including those in alternative realities. It was a quantum toothbrush because it existed in all possible states until observed or used, in which case it chose the most probable set of teeth to clean across the multiverse. Zaphod stumbled upon this odd creation at a flea market on Vogsphere, a planet more famous for its atrociously bureaucratic paperwork and hostile wildlife than its marketplaces. Seduced by its shiny, ergonomically improbable design and the promise of experiencing quantum uncertainty every morning and night, Zaphod traded his sixth favorite pair of sunglasses for it. The first time Zaphod attempted to use the quantum toothbrush, he found himself staring into his bathroom mirror with a baffled expression. The toothbrush was humming and vibrating with potential, but every time he tried to bring it to his mouth, it slipped away, flickering between dimensions. "Guide," Zaphod muttered to his portable, somewhat moody AI device. "How do you use a quantum toothbrush?" The device, after a dramatic sigh that seemed unnecessary for a synthetic intelligence, responded, "You must not try to predict its position too precisely, or it disappears into another dimension of uncertainty. Just, go with the flow." Zaphod, taking this advice in his typical devil-may-care stride, decided to relax and let his hand move freely. To his astonishment, the toothbrush ceased its interdimensional evasion and began to oscillate with purpose. He felt the brush cleaning teeth, many of which, he was fairly certain, did not reside in his mouth. At the end of the brushing, Zaphod gazed wonderingly at his reflection. His teeth sparkled with an ethereal glow, emitting a pleasant hum that resonated with the very fabric of the universe. However, as he smiled, he realized with horror that several of his teeth had altered in appearance. One tooth was now an alarming shade of violet. Another had somehow developed a swirling pattern that seemed to move of its own accord, and one tooth, to his bemusement, sang faintly when exposed to cold air. "So this is what quantum clean feels like," Zaphod mumbled to himself. Over the next few days, Zaphod's teeth became a topic of great interest and speculation across the galaxy. The singing tooth was particularly popular, leading Zaphod to start a minor but thriving career as a vocalist, accompanied by his own dentition. Meanwhile, Dr. Quarkle, informed of the toothbrush's unexpected success in ways he hadn't dared to imagine, began working on his next project, quantum deodorant, hoping it would address body odors from all possible timelines. As for Zaphod, he learned to embrace the quirks and occasional inconveniences of his newly acquired quantum teeth, finding that in life, as in interstellar navigation, one must often steer through uncertainty to discover the wonders of the cosmos. And perhaps most importantly, he never had to worry about dental hygiene again, knowing that somewhere in the vast multiverse he had the cleanest teeth imaginable.